Have you ever wondered how to bring the enchanting glow of moonlight to your website? Today we're going to create a stunning moonlight effect using just CSS and HTML. By the end of this video, you'll have an eye-catching design element that will captivate your visitors and add a touch of magic to your site. Let's get started. First, let's set up our HTML structure. Create two files, index.html and style.css. Now, open index.html, type ! And press Enter to write the HTML structure. Now give the title of the page. First, create a main class called Container, and inside it, add a subdiv with a class called Moon. Ensure you link your CSS file to this HTML. In the CSS file, we will reset the margin and padding for all elements to 0 and set the box sizing property to border box. This ensures that padding and borders are included in the element's total width and height, providing a consistent layout. Next, in the body selector, we use Display Flex to enable Flexbox, which helps align our content easily. By adding Align Items Center and Justify Content Center, we can center our elements vertically and horizontally. After that, set min height to 100 VH, so that the body takes up the full viewport height and gives the background a solid black color to create a night sky effect. For the Moon class, we define the moon with a height and width of 200 pixels, and give it a black background and make it round by using a border radius of 50%. To make the moon glow, we use the animation property to call a keyframe animation named Moon BG, which alternates the background color every 5 seconds, running infinitely. Then create the keyframe animation for Moon BG. This keyframe changes the moon's background color from black to white and white to black. At the start of 0% and end of 100% of the animation, the color is black, while at the midpoint of 50%, it briefly turns white, simulating a glowing effect. To add a glow around the moon, we use the after pseudo element. This element is positioned absolutely, directly behind the moon, and takes the same height and width as the moon 100% each, ensuring the glow follows the moon's shape. Also use z-index-1 to place the glow behind the moon. The animation property for this element is called a different keyframe animation named Moonlight. Finally, create the Moonlight keyframe animation, which uses box shadow to create the glowing effect. At the start, 0%, the moon is slightly to the right and scaled down. At the midpoint of 50%, it moves to the center, grows slightly larger, and glows with a white shadow effect. By the end of 100%, it shifts slightly to the left, shrinks back to its original size, and the shadow effect disappears. This creates a smooth, glowing effect around the moon, making it appear as if it's glowing in the dark night sky. To learn CSS, HTML, and JavaScript tutorials, join us and make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, CSS Snippets.